Learning Islam is cool!
We do wudu before every Salah 5 times a day. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next challenge.
Assalamu alaikum, amazing challengers! Are you ready for the most splash-tastic adventure? It's time for the 7-step Wudu challenge.
Before we splash, we start in our heart. Say Bismillah and let's start. Ready for the next step? Let's go!
Wash, wash, hands so clean.
First step, challengers. Let's get those hands super clean. Again! Wash!
Wash, hands so clean.
Ready for the next step? Let's go!
Next up, the gurgle and grin.
Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle.
Fantastic! Get that mouth super clean.
Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Mouth so clean.
Ready for the next step? Let's go!
Now for the sniff and swish. Get that nose sparkling.
Sniff, 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 nose so clean. Sniff, 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 nose so clean.
You got it! Sniff, sniff, sniff. Ready for the next step? Let's go!
Ah, the refreshing face wash.
Splash, splash! Face so bright! Ready for prayer day and night! Dua.
Beautiful dua, feeling fresh and clean.
Splash, splash, splash! Face so bright! Ready for the next step? Let's go!
Scrub, 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 arms so strong.
The mighty scrub. Arms, arms, arms.
Ready for prayer all day long.
Go, Hanny. Go. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
Scrub, 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 arms so strong.
Ready for the next step? Let's go!
Wipe, wipe, head so clean.
So gentle, Rokaya.
Loop, loop, loop. Ears so keen. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Loop, ears so keen.
Ready for the next step? Let's go!
Last but not least, our feet so neat.
Right foot, right foot, right foot, wash so well. Left foot, left foot, left foot, between the toes, as you can tell.
Well done. Our wudu is complete.
Let's remember all the steps, so clear and bright.
Heart's intention. Hands so clean. Mouth and nose. Face the best we've seen.
And arms.
And arms. Then head and ears, finally feet.
Valdu.
Wudu clears our fears.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Ready for Salah. Ready for heaven.
We do wudu before every Salah 5 times a day. Like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next challenge.